Download the TronLink app for Android, iOS, and Google Chrome browser extension. Transfer TRX into your wallet. By tapping the vote icon, you can claim interest rewards once every 24 hours. By tapping the stake icon, you can stake your TRX to gain additional resources such as energy, bandwidth, and Tron power. These resources are used to decrease your transaction fees from little to none over time within the application. By tapping the vote icon, you can do research on companies considered super representatives and use your Tron power to vote for companies that pay out the highest interest rates. The TronLink wallet supports Tron, Ethereum, bttc, and BSC coins and tokens. Download the app, transfer TRX, stake, vote, earn. Subscribe to our channel for more. See you next time.